Hey guys, it's Block Boy here, and today, look what we have. We have a Pokemon pack. So I got this from Target, and yeah, so we're gonna open it. It comes with these cards, which are pretty cool already. It comes with the Jumbo card, which is awesome, and it comes with these 6 packs in a pin. So let's open it. And see what we get, huh? Alright, we just opened it. Here's our 2 beautiful cards here and our jumbo card here. We're gonna put these cards on the side here. Let's take out the jumbo card, bro. Oh wow, look at this, bro. Beautiful, dude. Vstar right here. Wow. Alright, so that's our jumbo card. So I think we should just go right to the packs, huh? This is our pin here. Very cool, look at this. Pokemon on the back. Very cool pin. Oh, there's my bird. Say hi to YouTube. So let's just go into the packs, alright? So we got Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike here. Lost Origin, alright. Evolving Skies, nice. Chilling Rain. Okay. So we got 2 of the same of Lost Origin here. And then we got Astral Rain, or Radiance. Chilling Rain. So let's open these Lost Origins first. Sorry, my camera's here. Hold on. Alright. Let's open this up. Here's the code card, if you guys want it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go with, we're gonna do guess the energy game. Comment if you know who's that from. We're gonna go with lightning. Water, okay. Sorry, kinda new to this. Okay. Silicone. A lady. Lampent, pretty cool. Horsey. Mawile, Shellos, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Jinx, and a Maganora. I don't know how to say that, but so that's our first pack. We got a pretty sure this is a reverse holo. That's pretty cool. Let's open the next Lost Origin pack here. Oh, there goes my bird. Very excited to get this. Here's the code if y'all want it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dark energy. I forgot to guess that. We got Arazu, I think. Oh wow. Porygon, I like that art style on that. Experiment, Electrike, a love fish, I guess, I don't know how to say it. Gligar, Wurmple, Rhyhorn, Reverse Holo Silcoon, and a Raichu. Okay. Wow, that's a very cool design for the Raichu here. Oh, there's my bird, wants to see the card. 100 damage, that's pretty cool. Okay. So that was the Lost Origin. Let's do Chilling Rain here. My bird's like, what is all this? Open it from this side here. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. My first ever Pokemon video, guys. Water energy, nice. I like water. Fire resistant gloves. Melanie. It's from Sword and Shield. Whirlpin. We got a Quillfish. Ralts. Heracross. Cast form, Sunny form. A Seal. A Surfetch'd and a Tauros. Okay. Very cool art design. This is a holo. Single strike. 80 damage. Nice. Good quality. Got 3 more packs, people. So far, we haven't got any hits. We're going to go with Fusion Strike because why not? If you all want this pack, this is from Target. I got it for 40 bucks. 42 with tax. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're gonna go with fire. Oh, psychic. Okay. Spongy gloves. Course Sphere. I don't know how to say that one. I know him though. Sand Slash. A Minium. Baltoy. Corsola. Quillfish. Vulpix. Grubbin. And a Centiskorch. Okay. 120 damage. Dang. Rapid Strike. Okay, so far we haven't got any hits. Let's go with Astral Radiance. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. I didn't guess it that time, I forgot. We got Spicy Seasoned Curry. We got Electrode, very cool. That's the wooden type. Someone. Mancine. Quillfish. A Basculin. A Puccini. I don't know how to say that. A Guamau. A Sudowoodo and a... Oh, look at that. We got a hit, people. We got a Cleavor V. Beautiful card. Look at that. Star in the bottom there. See the quality on this. A little whitening. Not bad, though. First hit of the day. Look at that. Very nice card. Let's see if this last pack... Magic can give us a another hit here. Oh, I'm too excited. Let's see. Do it from this side. There we go. Almost freaking ripped the cards. Code card, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna guess, I'm gonna guess lightning for the end. Oh, metal, okay. Crustal, Palpitoad, Digging Gloves, Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Fletching, Tentacool, Single Strike Scroll and Fanged Dragon. Cool. And we got a Flapple. Oh, it's a dragon type. I've never really seen these cards. That's pretty cool. Alright. Well, that's what we did today. We got one hit here. And a bunch of these cards. Lots of cards here. So, that was pretty cool, guys. If you enjoyed, please give a like, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys later, alright? Bye.